Hello, my name is Andy and I am the Village Idiot. I'm armed with a car and a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. Today we're back in the countryside. This is another of those very small parishes with not a lot going on in it, but you know me, I'm always going to find something to see. Let's see where this is. Letwell, what a beautiful little place. I seriously did not expect there to be so much in such a tiny village. I'm really happy with this one. It's a bit disappointing I haven't managed to get close to the Dovecote, but I didn't even know that was there, so that was a massive bonus. So I'll put in the video, hopefully I'll find some shots of it that are a bit nearer to it, people who've managed to get closer to it. But apart from walking down a private drive, I certainly couldn't get to it. But there's been some amazing stuff in this little place. I really hope you've enjoyed this one. If there's anything else I missed, comment in down there and I'll make a part 2. Like and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching. Don't forget my buy me a coffee link is also down there in the description. Thank you very much from Letwell. I've been the Village Idiot and I'm out.